Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to the Creswick railway station. The Creswick railway station is located on the Mildura line in Victoria, Australia. It serves the town of Creswick and is 121 kilometres or 75 miles northwest of the state capital Melbourne. The original station opened on the 7th of July 1874. The station closed on the 12th of September 1993 after the Vinelander service till Mildura was withdrawn and replaced by road coaches. A new platform inaugurated on the 25th of July 2010 was constructed to cater for the restoration of passenger services from Ballarat to Maryborough. The original station building is listed with Victorian Heritage Register. The Creswick railway station complex was constructed, as it mentioned, in 1874 by George Anderson for the Victorian Railways. It comprises of a hip-roofed, bichromatic brick station building and residence with a standard cast-iron veranda and brick platform with bluestone coping and a disused drinking fountain. A detached brick lamp room, toilet block and two-storey timber signal box adjoins. Other features include a brick goods shed, a brick-faced subway, and the station complex is no longer in use and boarded up. Just a quick update, the station is boarded up but is being used by a community group. So without further delay, let's check out the sights and sounds of Creswick Railway Station. So there you have, pardon me, the old Creswick railway station. It's not being used, that platform doesn't get used at all. As you can see, there's a fence for its entire length. And as you saw, there's a bus service and a train service, but the train service is not a regular thing. Now a little bit more history. Creswick Railway Station Complex is historically significant for its association with the development of the light lines or cheap lines era. The station is also associated with the development of the Shire. The station was established only 2 years after the discovery of gold in Creswick and is significant for the important role it played in opening up the area for further settlement. So these are the Creswick Railway workshops. We'll go around the side and we'll go around to the front. So this is the pedestrian underpass. It goes under the tracks. and this would get you to the platform where the new station is. Now, just a quick reminder that all the credits and references will be in the description below, where I sourced all the information for this railway station. I'd like to assume that's where the old steam engines used to get their water from. Now, just a quick note also, it is possible to come here from Melbourne on a train. Just check your schedules, ring up V-Line or check on the internet, and you'll see there are a couple of times that the train does stop at Creswick. It's worthwhile to come out this way, bring your bicycles. You can walk down to the town, and it just gives you a day out, go to a pub and then maybe walk back to the station. And as I said, just double check your timetables. If you miss the trains that do stop, not on a regular basis, but there's always a bus that will take you back. So here we are nearing the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, by all means click on that like button or that thumbs up icon, and please consider subscribing. Subscribing really doesn't cost you 1 cent at all, but it helps out the channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.